Please.
Hold this. Let me check this. Check the direction first.
It's gotta go that way.
That is, yeah, that. No. It's the other way. And those go over. Oh, like it was made for it. Alright, slide 2 3/8 clamps on the end of that. Resonators are next, that's the long ones.
Which direction?
Yeah. No air on it. They look.
No green there. So.
They look uniform.
Scratches up.
Yeah, scratches up. Maybe that tells you which way to put it on. Yep. So what we're saying is
the slotted.
Well, they're both slotted.
Are they?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, good gas. Ooh, that's one sexy looking exhaust, I have to say. Alright, next step. Okay, slide a 3-inch clamp over the resonator side and the appropriate passenger side tailpipe. First goes to slide the hanger on the passenger side tailpipe into the rubber insulator.
Does it
So
say?
it may be easier to remove the rubber isolator from the vehicle, install it in the passenger side tailpipe first. Rubber isolator, that's that little guy here. So what they're saying is, this has got to go like that. And it goes into the
I didn't see anything identifying these passengers. Okay.
I already did. Alright. She be hung. What?
When we reverse this thing, just get it.
You licked it. What?
Well, because I had this side down here.
Ah.
But it's ready for this one.
Yeah. That does not help up here, though. All that effing work. All right, we gotta pop it off the top of the wheel. That's what we can do.
You can blame me for this one too.
Get a different crowbar.
Be like Dave David.
Looking so good. Come on, you gotta put it on there like you got a pair. You got it on there, just push. There we go.
All right,
There. Oh, hold on, she's coming on. There. Much nicer.
it's getting hot in here.
Okay. That one's done. Next step. Okay, next we gotta put all these guys next. Hold on, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're not following directions. You're not following directions. These guys gotta go in.
Where did they go?
In the place where the old hanger's unbolted. underneath up there. Mr. Tall Man, since you had me raise the car up so you wouldn't bump your precious little noggin, it can't be reached.
Well, in the Navy, they'd give you a cranial.
Well, see, the Navy is made for short people.
Where's the other two? I'm gonna come up with my punchlines while I'm driving over. 4 keys to 110 foot-pounds?
I don't even need to be, really, I think we just wait until we get the part on there, because there's no way to, other than to lock that nut down.
You didn't catch me.
Yeah, I heard you. Do I need to pop that rubber doodad off first? Yes.
That'd be easier.
Alright, where's my bar? Alright, that's off.
That's right here.
Okay, clamps on, good, nice. Okay, we're lined up, good. Okay, now try it. What? I felt it move. You laugh. You laugh. Why is it the short guys never get any respect? I don't know about it. Tall people.
Well, it looks pretty.
Yeah, it does. Alright, it's on.
Hand me one of those.
That's what they were talking about, those guys, about the a little bit tight on the rear end there.
Well, it might
Once you rotate this up where it's supposed to be, it should be fine.
Hand me one of those resonators.
Got the nuts off? Of the hangers?
No.
First things first.
I wasn't paying attention to this concept.
Okay.
How's that said? My bad.
That's Alright, twist it a couple times. And then
I think this one's for the other side. Well, seriously, because the way this is angled.
are they, do you think they're left and right side?
Either that or it's reverse. Because.
Alright, that's fine.
Let me try this first.
It's worth a, no, that's too small.
Alright, well then it is that way. But we gotta get the nuts off on this side.
Well, here, we got this one. See how this one goes. You are correct. Those line up much better. So there are left and rights to the mufflers.